Hello friend, welcome back. Recently we have added lots of new products under SelectorsHub. So in this tutorial we will see what all tools and products SelectorsHub is offering for the community to save their time and boost up their productivity. So let's start. Here on SelectorsHub website you can always find all the latest updates and everything about each and every product. So currently SelectorsHub is offering 5 free community products. One very first is SelectorsHub itself, which is the XPath and Selectors plugin, which can help you to solve any kind of problem related to WebElements, XPath, selectors, playwright selectors, or any kind of selectors. Shadow DOM, iframe, everything it supports. So if you click here, this is a free browser plugin. It is highest rated XPath plugin in the Chrome stores, and in fact in all the store: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Brave, Safari, Chromium, Tor. It is available almost for all the browsers. You just have to add it in your browser. You can click, and once you have added in your browser, it is already added there in our browser. So in fact, like, you just right click anywhere on the page and click on inspect. Here you will find SelectorsHub. We will always recommend that please watch the detailed tutorial how to use SelectorsHub and where all you can find it. By default, actually it comes here as a last tab. So don't worry if you, after installing, if you didn't find like SelectorsHub many times, what happened, you open DevTools after installing and you might not find it there in DevTools. So it will always be there as a last tab, but you can drag and drop this position anywhere. So this is SelectorsHub. You can write your XPath here. You can like write and verify XPath selectors, everything here. It is very helpful. It also gives you like error handling and all. And then you can also inspect any element and just copy the XPath from here. Right click, you can also right click and copy XPath from here. So lots of features are there. You just give it a try and you will just love this. Try out all the features here on the right side. Please check out the detailed tutorial about SelectorsHub and you will love it. Okay, moving on to the next product, Test Case Studio. Test Case Studio is a very helpful, again another browser plugin it is, which is very helpful to record your steps, like functional steps, any action which you perform on the browser here. Like let's say if you click on here courses, or anywhere, if you click, right click, whatever action you will perform, that it will capture. So this here you can like again on SelectorsHub web from home page or under products, you can always find this Test Case Studio here, or from here you just click on this, and here you can see that it is again available for all the browsers. So you just click and you can install it in your browser here. This is, you see, it is featured and everything. It is highest rated, 5-star rated Chrome plugin. More than 15,000 people using it across like Chrome, Firefox, Opera and other browsers. So this is very helpful. Same like SelectorsHub is also featured and everything. It is top 20 Chrome extension. It comes under top 20 developers extension, developer tools. So please give it a try. This is very helpful, SelectorsHub and Test Case Studio. Don't worry about any thing related to privacy practices or privacy. They are most secure browser plugin. You can always check out the privacy policy here, and if extensions are blocked in your company, you can easily get them unblocked. We have already created tutorial here on SelectorsHub YouTube channel, so you can just search for how to unblock SelectorsHub in the company or something like that. You will get that tutorial. So this is Test Case Studio. So like you just click on this, how you can use it after adding it in your browser. You have to just click on the extension logo like this. It will appear like this, and now whatever clicks, any right click you perform, or any click, or if you search anything here, it will record. Like if we click on this, it will record here. So you see that it is recording your manual actions here. It is taking a screenshot automatically. It is highlighting the field on which wherever you click. So this is very helpful. Just check it out. This is amazing plugin. It can saves a lot of time. It gives you manual test cases. It gives you generate a screenshot automatically. You can save this test case, or you can like execute this test case if you want. You just click on this button, it will execute the test case on test rigger with test rigger tool. So lots of stuff you can do. This is very helpful, this test case studio. Great, there are lots of other features as well, so please watch the detailed tutorial about them. Okay, moving on to the next one, test case hub. Test case hub is another free web application. It's not a plugin, you don't need to install this one. Test case hub is very helpful, like tool which is a kind of like test case repository. You see that here. So if you click here, it will take you to the detail page of home page of test case hub. So what test case hub is, it is basically a repository of test cases where you will find the test cases and test scenario for all and every functionality. And in this, what is there, like you can also write the test cases, you can add the test cases there, and a lot of stuff is there. So directly if you want to open, like let me just open test case hub. So it's a simple repository of test cases. So like let's say you want to search the test cases for database or anything, you can just search here and you will see that you can find the test cases for that particular scenario. Okay, you can check out like who is the person who has written these test cases, who is the reviewer, upward, downwards, and based on that you can always check out. So lots of things are there. This is very helpful and great time saver. You can see that for which all scenarios test cases are available there, who all are the contributors, who are the reviewers here. So this is very helpful. So give it a try. This is being called and known as the Stack Overflow for testers. So very helpful once again. And more details you can always check out here on SelectorsHub website homepage of test case hub. Also, like before moving on, you can always check out the courses here. There are lots of free courses I have created, and one is paid course, which is a very advanced course on XPath, selectors, web elements, DOM, etc. If you want to check out, want to learn all about them, so then check out this course. Very helpful. It is available on Udemy. All the courses are available on Udemy as well as on YouTube as well. Okay, then we have the fourth tool, testing daily. Testing daily is the very latest new tool which we have launched for the community. It is very helpful to get the latest testing trends and updates. So here you can, again on SelectorsHub homepage, you will find this testing daily page. Click and it will open here. So this is basically like it used to collect the information, new latest articles, blog tutorials, tweets, any new blog came on, any testing related to website. So all those things it will collect from the internet and it will list down in this tool. And this is amazing, very helpful, keep you updated with all the latest testing information. So here you see that on this page you will find this all the install links and download links. This is very helpful. First we have launched it as a browser extension, then we got a lot of requests, then we launched it as a mobile app on Android and iPhone, for Android and iPhone both, and then we have also added the web application as well. So it is available in all format. So you can just install this as a browser plugin in your browser. After adding it in your browser, you need not to use it. It get automatically used by you. So in fact, like just such a short time, like within few months, more than 4,000 testers are using this. More than 4,000 testers has added this plugin in their browser. After adding it in your browser, now going forward, whenever you will open new tab, it will show you the feed automatically. You need not to worry about that. So you see that if you want to open a new website, what you do, you open new tab. So here if you want to open website, you can open website, or if you like within that short time between typing your URL, here you see some feed here. So this will at least add some information, add some value to your knowledge, to your career, that oh, something new came in testing, what all those things are there. like this one, introducing the lambda test automation professional certificate. So you got something new that, oh, this is came there. First most popular article on this thing, and what article coming on Medium, Reddit, Blogspot, all those things you will find it here, YouTube tutorials and all. So this is really really amazing, very helpful. Do check out this one. Just add it in your browser, and whenever you will open new tab, it will show you some information which will be a value add in your career. Okay, so this is testing daily. Also, I will request you, you can please add, install it as an app on your mobile phone. If you are using Android, you just search and in Play Store for testing daily, you will get this. If you are using iPhone, you just search in App Store for testing daily and you can install this, and you will see that this is a very highest rated 5-star rated Android app as well as Chrome extension. So very good reviews. You can check out what users are saying here, how people are feeling it and enjoying this app. So in place of wasting time on social media app, you can always check out these things. And this is web application. So if you open the website, you will always see the feed there. And then like whenever you have free time, you just come here and scroll and you will check out that what new things came in testing. So this is testing daily, guys. The fifth one is auto test data, which we have very recently, like last week only we have launched this, the auto test data, and this got a huge response from the community. It is a very simple one page application which you need not to install or anything. You just open this autotestdata.com and you can generate the fake test data for your testing within few seconds, just in simple 3 clicks. First step is select what you want to generate. Like let's say you want to generate name, phones, email, currency, number, range, or let's say you want to generate pin code as well. First step done. Second, choose the data format, in which format you want, like JSON, XML, HTML, whatever format you want, that you, and how many rows. Let's say we want to generate 100 rows. Just click on generate and you see that 100 rows data has been generated here as per your requirement. So this is really amazing. You can download this data, you can copy this. If you want to regenerate, just click on the refresh button, it will generate the new data. So this is very very helpful. It has just made life a lot easier for testers. Earlier you were using faker libraries, you have to write the code, you have to maintain that, all the dependencies and everything, but here you don't have to do anything. Just come and generate the data. So this is auto test data, guys. Very very helpful product. So these are all free tools which have been provided by SelectorsHub for the testing community. Please use them, make the best use of them. Check out the detailed tutorial of each product. You will find tutorial and all the details for each and every product on their respective product page. If you need any help, you can just chat with us on the SelectorsHub website anytime, and check out the courses here. Of course, we'll request you, because these all are the free products, so please donate and support. Feel free to write the article about these products, share in your network. You can also, if you want to present, you want to create the tutorial, you want to present in any meetup, conference, feel free to do that. You want to do the webinar, you are always welcome. You can do it on any tool and talk about these tool in any conference, any meetup, any webinar. You don't need any certificate or any permission from us to present or talk about these tools. Also, there are like SelectorsHub Pro and Test Case Studio Pro products available, pro versions. So if you want to further optimize your productivity, you want to go to the next level, so then check out these pro versions as well. They are almost absolutely kind of free only, because just a coffee cost per month we have added, so that like we can support other free products. So that's the purpose. So if you want to check out them, so please check out that what all new features, more advanced feature are there which can save more time for you. So yeah, these are the products which are right now available under SelectorsHub. And in fact, apart from that, we also have the practice page, which is very very helpful for the testers and all the practitioner interviewers. So if you want to practice anything related to web automation, this is the best page, which has pretty much all the complex scenarios which someone need to practice, like iframe, shadow DOM, svg, multiple iframe, multiple shadow DOM inside iframe inside shadow DOM. So every complex, most complex scenario this page has, which will help you to learn more about automation or to interview someone. So check out this page as well. So this is in fact another product which we offer under SelectorsHub. So this is also absolutely free. So most of the things and everything, pretty much everything is free, just that we have two pro versions which are also almost free. So this is a kind of like community work we are doing here and helping community. So please support and let others know about these awesome time saver productivity boosters tool. And we will keep supporting you guys. We will keep innovating, keep adding more and more products. With that, thank you, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we add any new innovation, new video, new tutorial, you get the updates. With that, thank you so much.